Students, this is class number 91. This is class number 91. Look at that discussion, students. Permutations of n different objects taken or at a time. So we have totally n different objects. The word different is very important. Taken for arrangements, for arranging we have n different objects. For arranging we choose only r objects. I explain that with example. Suppose if we have three different balls, so three different balls, so from three different balls, B1, B2, B3. So take two at a time. So we have three different balls. So from that three different balls, I am going to choose two balls at a time. One thing, all the balls B1, B2, B3, they are completely different. They are not same. They are not same balls. They are completely different balls. They may be different in color, they may be different in size. Totally they are different balls, that's all. So I take, so let me see how many arrangements, means how many permutations are possible if I choose two at a time. So I can arrange B1, B2. So one of the arrangement, so by using two balls, I can arrange like this. So next B1, B2. So B1, B2. Next B1, B3. Next B2, B1. B2, B1. So right, B2, B3. Next B3, B1. Next B3, B2. B3, B2. Totally how many arrangements possible? Two arrangements are possible. Sorry, six arrangements. Total permutations 6. So total permutations 6. Totally how many permutations possible, students? 6 permutations possible. So 6 permutations possible. If I take one more from three different balls. From three balls. So B1, B2, B3. So take all the balls. Take all the balls. So at a time. So here from the three balls, for arrangements I take all the balls, taken all at a time. So taken all at a time. Here you look at the students. So B1, B2, B3. One of the arrangement. So next B1, B3, B2. One more arrangement. Next B2, B1, B3. Third arrangement. Next B2, B3, B1. So one more arrangement. Next B3. So B1, B2. So one more arrangement. Next. So B3. So B2, B1. So right. I think these are the 6 arrangements. So we can do. So out of 3 balls, so taking all the balls at a time, total permutations equals 6. So total permutations. So total number of permutations is equal to 6. So same thing. Here you see the students. So arranging 3 balls taken two at a time. Arranging 3 balls taken 2 at a time means filling of two empty boxes using 3 balls. ಸೊ 3 ಬಾಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಬಾಲ್ಸನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದೇ, 2 ಬಾಕ್ಸನ್ನು 3 ಬಾಲ್ಸಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ. ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಫಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೊ 2 ಬಾಕ್ಸಸ್ from 3 balls. I will show that. So look at this, students. Look at this. I am taking 2 boxes. Let us fill 3 balls using. Let us fill 2 boxes using 3 different balls. This box can be filled in 3 different ways. 3. So after filling this box by using one of the balls, ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಬಾಲ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು ತಾನೇ. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನು ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು, 2. ದಿಸ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ 2 ways. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪರ್ಮುಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ So total permutations is 3 into 2, 6. So 3 into 6. ಎರಡನೇದು ಬನ್ನಿ, ಎರಡನೇದು. So this is for first one. So come to the second one. So arrangement of 3 all at a time. We have 3 balls. For arranging, we take all the 3 balls. This is nothing but filling of 3 boxes. Using 3 balls, let us go for that. 3 boxes. Using 3 balls. This first box can be filled 3 ways because 3 balls are available. After filling this first box by using one of the ball, this can be filled in 2 ways. After filling these 2 boxes with one ball, lastly 1 ball remains. That ball can be filled this box in only one way. So total permutations is equal to 2 into 1 again 6. I hope you got a complete idea about what that permutation is. Permutation means arrangement. Permutation itself is arrangement in some definite orders. So let us go for general formula. Students, I am going to discuss general formula right there. Students, you see this now. I will come to this general formula. Permutations of n different objects taken r at a time. It means filling of r boxes using n objects. Means filling of r boxes using n objects. So now let us go forward. Box 1, so box 2, box 3, so on, box. Totally how many boxes, students? R boxes. So right, this box can be filled in n different ways. Next, n minus 1 different ways. n ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು? n minus 1. This box can be filled in n minus 2 different ways. This last box can be filled so n minus r minus 1. So remember that rth box, last box is rth box. Rth box can be filled in n minus r minus 1. So total number of permutations is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus r minus 1. We represent this by npr. NPR. We represent this by NPR, means out of n objects we choose R. Out of n objects we choose R objects for permutations. Out of n objects we choose R objects for arrangements. NPR is nothing but the value of NPR is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, so on n minus r minus 1, n minus r minus 1, or n minus r plus 1, both are correct. So right, I hope you are understanding, students. So now, so example 5p3 means how to write this 5p3? You start from 5. So this means so arrangement of n objects taken R at a time. NPR means permutations of n objects taken R at a time. Permutations of n different objects taken R at a time. We represent that by NPR. P means permutations. 5p3. This can be written as 5 into. You start from 5. You write only 3 numbers. We have 3. 3 means 3 numbers. R boxes. I should write only R boxes, right? R boxes means R numbers. R numbers ಬರಿಬೇಕು. 5 into 4 into 3. That's all. 3. 5 4s are 20. 23s are 60. 5 different objects. So taken 3 at a time. 5 different objects taken 3 at a time can be arranged in 60 ways. There are 60 arrangements possible. 60 permutations. One more example. So 7p2. So how do you write this? 7 into 6. You should write only 2 numbers starting from 7. 7 6 are 42. One more example. So 9p3. So write 9p3. How do you write that? So 9 into 8 into 7. 9 into 8 into 7. Multiply and write. So 72 into 7. So write 7 2s are 14. 50. 5 not arrangements. Right? So I hope you are understanding, students. So using all these, we can write on general formula. That formula is NPR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. N factorial by n minus r factorial gives us this one only. Because look at this, students. N factorial means so n factorial by n minus r factorial. I am simplifying this. I am going to get this one only. N into n minus 1 into n minus 2, so on n minus r minus 1. So after that it will get cancelled, right? Okay. I hope you people are understanding. You buy this formula. Or you can use this also. What is NPR, students? N factorial by n minus r factorial. NPR means n factorial by n minus r factorial. You can see that here. Look at this, students. Same thing. So write 5p3. 5p3 means 5 factorial by 5 minus 3 factorial. 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into. This can be seen here. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 minus 3. 2. 2 factorial means 2 into 1. I think 2 get cancels. 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. 60. Same answer. NPR means n factorial by n minus r factorial. I am going to 60 only. Even by this direct method, I am getting 60 only. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ನೀವು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೆದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. n factorial by n minus r factorial, n factorial by n minus r factorial. I am getting 60 only. Same. NPR is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, so on n minus r minus 1 over n factorial by n minus r factorial. Both these two are one and the same. I hope you understood. You must buy these things. These basic skills are necessary. These things are, you buy this formula, you should know these things. You should know how to find these values, right? I hope you understood. Now let's go for one more concept. Permutations of n different objects taken all at a time. So right. So n different objects, here repetition is not allowed. Suppose in case if repetition is allowed, let me see. So in this case, repetition is not allowed. Repetition is not allowed. If I go for repeating that, let me see. Look at this, students. Permutations of n different objects taken r at a time. If repetition is allowed, which is nothing but filling of r boxes. Total number of boxes from here to there is r boxes. So on, right? I can fill this box using n objects in n different ways. N. Since repetition is allowed, same object can be filled for this box also. Again, whatever the object I fill, whatever the object which is filled for this first box, same object can be used to fill this box also, because repetition is allowed. Repetition allow ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ fill ಮಾಡಿರೋ object ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೂ fill ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So again I can fill this box in n different ways. Again this can be filled in n different ways. This can be filled in n different ways. Now multiply n into n into n into n into r times. Suppose 3 into 3 into 3. How many 3's? 3 3's. This can be written as 3 cube. So 3 into 3 into 3 into so on 3. If it is 10 3's, if 10 3's, if 3's are 10, if total number of 3's are 10, how do you write this? 3 power 10. ತುಂಬ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. 3 ಇದ್ರೆ 3 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಬರೀರಿ, 10 ಇದ್ರೆ 3 ಪವರ್ 10. n ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ n ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? r ಇದಾವೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ n ಪವರ್ r. So total number of permutations. Equals so n power. This is for repetition is allowed. If repetition is allowed, you use this. Next, permutations of next headline, permutations of n different objects. Look at this, students. Permutations of n objects where p objects are of same kind. So n objects ಅಲ್ಲಿ p objects ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸೇಮ್ ಕೈಂಡ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಾಮ. This word Rama containing 4 letters. In that, so 2 objects, 2 letters are of same kind. Then number of permutations is 4 factorial by 2 are repeated. 2 are same objects, 2 letters are same. by 2 factorial. By 2 factorial. So means 4 into 3 into 2 factorial by 2 factorial. It cancels. 4 3 is the 12. Only 12 arrangements are possible. Only 12 arrangements are possible. You can go for doing that. So my students. So arrangements, permutations of n objects where p objects are of same kind. ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ so this is now. So n factorial by so p factorial. P factorial. What is p? P means same objects, number of same objects. Where p is number of same objects. So right, you buy this formula. I go for one more example. Allahabad. Totally how many letters are there in this sentence? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Arrangement of 9 letters is 9 factorial by. So now you check same kind of objects. ಒಂದೇ ತರ objects ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. A. We have same. A is repeated 4 times. I should write 4 factorial into next L. L is repeated 2 times, that is 2 factorial. This represents number of arrangements of the word Allahabad. I hope you are understanding, students, right? This represents number of arrangements of the word Allahabad. So right, I go for one more. So number permutations of n objects. Next, permutations of n objects where p objects p1 objects where p1 objects are of one kind and so p2 objects are of another kind. P1 objects are of one kind, P2 objects are of another kind. Now let me see number of permutations. You only tell students answer is n factorial by P1 factorial into so P2 factorial. This is how so we find the number of permutations. I hope you understood, students. You practice all the basics well. After that, if I go for solving problems, you feel solving problems as so easy. So thank you, students. Thank you so much. Let us stop this class. So right.